Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can redeem an Amazon gift card on Amazon. It's pretty easy and it's not that hard. So first of all, you're going to launch up Amazon. From Amazon, you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the bottom right corner. Okay, once you're in that, you're going to click on your account. Okay, from your account, you're going to click on your account. Then you're going to scroll down all the way to first of all, you're going to see your gift cards over here, but there is no option to at least for me, there is no option for me to apply the gift card over here, but it's in somewhere else. So it could actually appear for you here, but for me, it doesn't appear. So I'm going to show how where you can find it. So if you're going to go on, you're going to go back, and then you're going to go on to your payments. From your payments, you're going to click on rewards and balances, and you're going to click on Amazon balance, and then you're going to click on redeem gift card. Once you're in, you're going to enter your claim code and apply your balance. And as you can see, you're able to put your gift card, and now you're going to get all the money from the gift card. So that's how you can use a gift card on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.